So today we have an Orion construction update, this time from the ground. We don't have any videos, but we have a few pictures I took. Here we can see from the front gate, Orion is towering over everything in the area. Here's another shot. This thing is just moving along very quickly, and the fact that you can see it over everything in that area is very nice. Here's a shot from when you first get into the park. It's still looking very tall, looking great around everything in that area. So now let's get up to the new stuff that's getting built. Some new construction that's happened recently is with the turnaround. It started to go up and bank right, and now it's starting to dive down, which will make it fly into the speed hill. This is moving great, and eventually we'll be moving into the speed hill and then into the big airtime hill. This ride is really moving along very quickly. And here's another similar shot where you can still see it. It's about to dive down, and this is just great. The wave turn is still standing tall. It looks amazing. It's a lot more drawn out than it looks like in the video, but it still looks absolutely amazing.